With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs on the pre-attached adapter. Hold the blade with one hand. With your other hand, squeeze the two release tabs together simultaneously. The pre-attached adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and push it into the cavity in the side of the blade until it locks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the end of the wiper arm and push it all the way onto the arm pin. Rotate the blade until the tab on the top of the arm straddles the top of the blade. The wiper blade will lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked on to the wiper arm.